Are you getting this error message while trying to download any software or any game? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. Step number 1 is to repair Windows image. So you need to open a command prompt. Simply type in cmd, right click here and run command prompts as administrator. First of all, you need to write DISM restore health command. I will give you all this command in the video description as well, so check out the description as well. So the next command is the sfc scan now, so make sure to run sfc scan now as well. Now you need to enable .NET component, so press Windows R first and here you need to type optional features and open this. Make sure to check the description of this video to find all these steps. Now you need to enable this .NET framework 3.5 and 4.8 and all the above. Make sure to enable them. Just enable them and click on this OK button at the bottom. If you are unable to download or if .NET does not download, so download it from here. This is for Windows 10 and you can find it for Windows 11 as well here. So Windows 10 and Windows 11. I will share you the link in the video description. You can find the same for Windows 11 or Windows 10 and download it from here. Make sure to update it to the latest version. At last you need to again open cmd as an administrator. Once again you need to open it and click on run as administrator, and you need to run this DSIM command to replace the specific drive with your ISO drive letter. So make sure to enter this command and you can find this command in the video description. After following all the steps, make sure to restart your PC and check whether you are getting this issue again or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention the problem in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply with a solution. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.